Fix Forza Horizon 6 error FHC01, FHC00, FHC02. Forza Horizon 6 has hit an unexpected error. 1. Restart your PC. Close Forza Horizon 6 completely. Restart your computer normally. Launch the game again after reboot. 2. Verify game files. Open Steam or Xbox app. Go to Forza Horizon 6 Properties. Click Verify and repair game files. 3. Update graphics drivers. Install latest NVIDIA AMD or Intel GPU drivers. Restart your PC after updating. Launch the game again afterward. 4. Run the game as administrator. Right-click Forza Horizon 6 shortcut. Select Run as Administrator. Also run Steam Xbox app as administrator. Disable overlays and background apps. Disable Discord overlay and Xbox Game Bar. Close MSI Afterburner, OBS, and RGB software. Free up system resources before launching. 6. Repair Xbox app and gaming services. Open Settings, Apps, Installed apps. Repair Xbox app from Advanced Options. Also repair gaming services. And 7. Install Windows Updates. Open Windows Update settings. Install all pending updates. Restart your PC after installation. 8. Delete corrupted cache files. Press Windows R, type sent local app data sent, and press Enter. Remove corrupted Forza Horizon 6 cache config files. 9. Lower graphics settings. Reduce texture and shadow quality. Disable ray tracing or ultra settings. Limit FPS for better stability. 10. Reinstall the game if needed. Uninstall Forza Horizon 6 completely. Delete leftover game files manually. Install a fresh copy of the game again